Welcome to Quiz Cable. Step into imagination. There are 53 questions to design the home of your dreams. Let's begin with your first choice. Don't miss the next journey. Subscribe to Quiz Cable now. Would you go for a gold bathtub, or maybe a velvet feels like sleeping in a cloud? Picture yourself building something special. Maybe your dream doghouse, perfectly crafted, or a cat paradise, fit for royalty. Now think of indulgence. Would you choose a sushi bar at home or a refreshing smoothie bar tucked beneath warm lights? Would you live in a sky-high penthouse, surrounded by clouds, or a peaceful countryside mansion? And when night falls, would your home glow with laser lights or shimmer with soft holographic light that dances on the walls? A cozy winter lodge nestled in snow, or a desert hideaway, warm and golden under endless skies. Would you walk up rainbow stairs, glowing with color, or trace your hand along illuminated railings, guiding your way? Is your rhythm a dance room filled with music, or a live DJ station built for your every mood? Maybe you'd like indoor fountains whispering calm, or hanging gardens breathing life into your space. And then something playful, a spaceship-shaped bed, or a submarine bathroom, deep and blue. Imagine stepping into your private escape, an indoor snow room that never melts, or a desert simulation room. Would your home be a pyramid, timeless and bold, or a glass cube, modern and pure? Perhaps a star-shaped pool, glowing at night, or a heart-shaped pool, made for soft mornings. Would you prefer walls that change color, or furniture that shifts, adapting to you? Maybe a bike garage, sleek and smart, or a drone landing pad, futuristic and free. Your home of comfort, would it hold a walk-in fridge for every luxury, or a giant freezer room carved in crystal cold? Would your pets play in a private playground, or wander through your very own mini zoo? Picture your bed rotating slowly to follow the sunrise, or levitating on magnets, a gentle dream in motion. Smart living surrounds you, voice-controlled curtains gliding open to daylight, or music-activated lights. Would you live in a rainbow-colored home, or one completely jet black, elegant and bold? Step onto a gaming floor, or a trampoline floor that bounces with joy. Build a grand entrance gate, or design your perfect rooftop terrace. Let technology embrace you. Auto-dimming windows, or self-tinting glass walls that breathe light. Design your piece, a minimalist kitchen, calm and white, or a maximalist bedroom, rich with color and life. Would you rather build your dream closet or dream shoe room? Would you dream of a moonlit room or wake each day in a space touched by sunlight? floors that clean themselves, or walls that gently collect the dust before it ever settles. Would your evenings echo with a DJ sound system or a classical piano, soft and timeless? A fireplace nook, warm and quiet, or a techy reading pod, cocooned in light? Maybe you'd build a 3-story slide, laughter echoing all the way down, or a spiral garden path, winding through green calm. For rest, would you sink into a giant beanbag, or sway in a hammock bed, floating in still air? Above you, a movie screen ceiling, or a living hologram wall. Would your house move with the wind, or change shape with your imagination? Create your piece, a yoga room for breath and stillness, or a meditation pod, a quiet heartbeat in your home. Technology meets comfort, a fridge with a tablet, or a freezer with Alexa by your side. A floating dining area, or your dream island kitchen surrounded by light. Your perfect spa moment, a 360-degree glass shower, or a soundproof steam room of silence. Art comes alive, LED wallpaper, or a moving mural that tells a new story every day. Secret rooms that hide behind doors, or transparent floors, daring and open. Would you rather have in Skyview bedroom or pirate ship aquarium? Unlock your home with fingerprints or with a single eye scan. Cook at a dream breakfast bar or grill under the stars at your BBQ pit. Music even in the bathroom, or a color-changing sink that glows with rhythm. Your choice, tiny home or wide-open studio. Electric sliding roof or rotating solar panels. Chill room or a sleek glass lounge. A mirror-covered home, reflecting the world, or one built into the mountain, holding peace within stone. Would you design a tech control room or retreat to a reading attic, soft and timeless? Perhaps your home breathes with smart shades or releases calming scents with auto diffusers. A color-themed home or one filled with art in every corner. And finally, a marble fountain, whispering calm in the courtyard, or a modern sculpture, standing proud and bold. Would your bed rest gently on the floor, minimalist and grounded, or hang by ropes, floating like a dream? And in the end, would you trust smart gadgets to serve you, or welcome your very own butler robot, ready at your call?
Thank
thanks for taking part in the Quiz Cable Challenge. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon! Goodbye!